God sent His Son. They call Him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fears is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. How sweet to hold a newborn babe and feels the pride and joys He brings. What greatest to